Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode problem 1974. Minimum time to type word using special typewriter. There is a special typewriter with lowercase English letters A to Z arranged in a circle with a pointer. A character can only be typed if the pointer is pointing to that character. The pointer is initially pointing to the character A. So initially the pointer is pointing to the character A and it is in the circle, and this is a special typewriter, right? So this is what the statement states. Now each second you can perform one of the following operations. So in 1 second you can perform any of these two operations. We can either move the pointer one character to the anti-clockwise, or we can move the character one step to the clockwise, right? This is the step performed in 1 second. And also I can perform another step, like I can type that character, which character the pointer is on that character, right? Then what is the minimum number of seconds to type the word? So this is what the question states. Now let us take this example. Word is equal to ABC. So let me take here. See here, word is equal to ABC. ABC. First of all, my pointer is at A. Okay. Now B. So first of all, I want to type A. To type A, I take one step. To type A, I take one step. So I take one second, right? Now again, I want to move to B. Whether I can go in anti-clockwise direction or I can go in clockwise direction. First of all, let's go in anti-clockwise direction. What is the count of my steps while I am going to anti-clockwise direction? It is up to like 26 maybe. 24, because 1 2 like until B, so it will be 24. So whether it is optimal? No, we can go in clockwise direction by only one step. So I can go clockwise direction by only one step. Update my result, right? Again I want to type the character B. So again once again, right? Now I want to go to C. Now currently my pointer is at B. Now I want to go to C. I can go one step by clockwise direction, right? Now for this I take 1 second. Now again to type the C, I take again 1 second. That's all. So my output will be what? 5. That's all. So this is the problem statement. Now the twist is I have three possibility when the pointer is at a place. When the pointer is pointing to a character, I have three possibilities. The first possibility is I can go clockwise. And another possibility is I can go anti-clockwise. And the third possibility is if I want to go to A and the pointer lies at A. So the pointer is at the correct position. Right? So these are the three possibilities. Okay. Let's see this in last. But before that, let's see anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Okay. How to find whether I want to go clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Let us assume you want to go A. If your pointer is lying at A, you have to go to maybe Y. Take it as Y. How many steps you need to take so that it is minimum to move from A to Y? Whether you have to go from clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let's see. So if I move in anti-clockwise direction, what is my result? It will be 1 2. It will be what? 1 2, right? It will be 2 steps. If I move from clockwise direction, what is my number of steps? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 24. It will be 24, right? I can say this is what anti-clockwise direction. So this is what anti-clockwise direction, and this is what clockwise direction. So I can say, just carefully observe this. Clockwise, 26 minus clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise, right? So this is my anti-clockwise. If I find what is the clockwise, what is the distance between the element and in the clockwise element, I can say 26 minus clockwise will be my anti-clockwise, right? So I can take whether this 2 or 24. Which should I take? I should take minimum of 2 and 24. Which is the minimum? It is 2. So I can go from this A to this Z, from this Z to this Y, right? So there are totally two steps. So I take the minimum of that 2 and 24. So it will be 2 steps. So now currently my pointer is at where? It is at Y. So this is my approach. So first of all, we are checking whether we want to move from at this pointer to clockwise or anti-clockwise, right? So we want to take clockwise and anti-clockwise and take the minimum of them. Second step is just update my result. And what is third step? Make change on the pointer. Now pointer is pointing where? Pointer is pointing at the current element. So pointer change to the current element, right? Because see here, whenever, for example, if there currently my element is pointing at A. Just I take another color. My pointer is currently pointing at A. Now I have to move to H. It is when I am moving clockwise direction, it is efficient. So I moved. Now my current pointer is pointing where? H. So I want to update my current pointer. So pointer change to current, right? My current pointer change to what? The previous value. That is, if I have to move from A to Y, now my current pointer will be where? Y, right? So these are the 3 steps. Let us see the code. It will be more understand when we see the code. See here, t is equal to 0. Initially, time is equal to 0 and current is equal to 97. 97 means what? A's ASCII value. Currently, the pointer is at A. For I in word, clockwise is equal to absolute difference of order of I minus current. So to move clockwise direction, I have already told you that if I move from A to Y minus A or A minus Y absolute value, right? So 20 what is the ASCII value of Y? It is 121 minus 97. So that's the answer, right? Now anti-clockwise is equal to 26 minus clockwise, right? I have already told you that what is the anti-clockwise in that formula. Then t plus is equal to minimum of clockwise and anti-clockwise plus 1 for typing it, and current is equal to updating my current to the current value, that is order of I. So I am just updating my current with the pointer where the pointer is lying currently. Then I am returning the t. So let me submit it. This is the approach. I'm talking about the time constant in space complexity. What will be my time complexity? My time complexity is I am just iterating once the every character in the string. So I can say time complexity will be what? O of n. And what is the space complexity? It is O of 1 because we haven't used any auxiliary space. So it is a constant space, right? So this is the approach. Thank you.